Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Kent C-4 carpet extractor. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it'll help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. If you have a broken on-off hand tool switch and you got to replace it, super simple, this is how we do it. So the first step is we have to remove these 4 Phillips head screws holding the operation panel to the machine. Just like that. Now that we have the wires exposed for your hand tool switch, what we want to do is unplug the butt connectors. Now pinch the tabs on the sides and pop the switch out. Just like that. Now take your new switch, reverse the steps, make sure you hear it clip, and plug your wires back onto the switch. Just like that. Last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and insert the panel back to the machine and tighten down the 4 screws that we took out. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Remember to always stay safe, and thanks for watching.